Hey class, so I'm going to do a quick little preview of what's to come in the next few weeks, and then a little update on SA 3. So let me turn to Canvas. So I did update your due date for SA 3 for Wednesday instead of Monday. I got a lot of kind of desperate emails needing more time, and I just want to accommodate that. So you guys have some extra time to do it. And then as always, like, please let me know if you have questions. Remember, I did post notes and a lecture for that essay in case you need any more help with it. Looking ahead for the next 2 weeks, so week 14 and 15, you're going to be doing the library literacy tutorial. So I didn't have anything planned, so you would have those times. So if you look through week 14, all the way up through week 15, it's all dedicated to the library tutorial. So, go ahead and get started on that. One thing I do want to say is that you should use this tutorial as a way to prep yourself for the research paper you're going to be doing. So, Essay 4. So I'm going to quickly turn to that. And remember, Essay 4 is on any topic of your choice. I mean, literally anything you want to know about, want to research into. A lot of students pick the kind of field of study they want to get into, and then they plan to use that paper um, you know, related to that field or some research paper related to whatever they're going to be doing in their major. So again, use the library tutorial as kind of a precursor for that. And what's really cool is the library tutorial is going to require a annotated bibliography. And I would say feel free to use all the research, all the bibliography stuff you did for that library tutorial, the exact stuff. Go ahead and feel free to use that in your essay 4. That's kind of why I set it up this way. So that would not be plagiarism. You can use the same materials for your essay because you're not writing the essay in the tutorial, you're just prepping for research. And I also want to remind you that the librarians on campus are super, super helpful. And if you can't find stuff, like, you can email them and they will find stuff for you. So if you do need any help with that, please let them know because they need to work. They're here for you, and anything you might need would be, really, really helpful for them. So just know that you can turn to them for whatever. So that's basically it. The next 2 weeks, you're kind of on your own. But of course, please feel free to email me with any questions you have. I'll be grading your papers during those 2 weeks and getting those back to you. And then I'll start to create more videos to explain Essay 4 and kind of that process. So, all right, guys, I hope you have a great weekend considering the circumstances, of course. And I'll talk to you soon.